Anybody needing to do the clutch release switch on a Fiesta or Fiesta ST, the best way to get to it is take off this airbag panel. You'll have tabs up here on the top that they just pop out here on the corners. Back here in the back, you have studs that come out of the airbag, the knee airbag. They mount back here. This one here on the far left is easy to get to. It's 10mm. This one here is harder to get to. You have a plug, your blue plug here, and all you have to do is just press on the side of the tabs counterclockwise, and it will pull out of the holder back there, that bracket. And then that gives you access to the clutch switch. You see right there on top. Camera's not wanting to focus too well. Is that black piece right above the metal? That'll give you access, and you'll have to crawl down under the car and push the clutch here with your right hand and your left hand. Turn that thing around and look them up underneath here. And that's what comes through right there. You see that pintle. And you got to get those two slots turned in there and then turn it. And you got to push this clutch down all the way while you're putting that switch up in there. But that's how you do it.